Yeah, it doesn't even suck that gravel up, and you can hear the motor just a grinding in there. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the filter. Look at that. Definitely the filter's plugged. No wonder why there's not much suction, eh? Turn it on here and get rid of the dust that's in there. Right here at this port, I can feel it. It's plugged. We'll see if this. Okay, with the machine on, there should be a lot of suction here, and I can feel up in here it's plugged. Get something to see it there. Look at that. But I'm going to turn it on and see if there's suction coming out of the motor, because it comes from here and it goes into your canister. Yeah, there's good suction there. This is the piece I got from outside, which is, I'll put it there. And I noticed there's still more in here. This is leading up to the hose, so obviously there's no suction in the hose. And the way to tell if it's unplugged, I've got a chocolate. I'm gonna put down the hose and see if it comes out. There, it's clean now. There's a few clips here. There's a clip right there. Yeah. I don't want to get my hand in the way here. See all the gravel falling out of that thing? There. Sitting right on top of the belt. Look at that. Okay. There's the piece of chocolate I shot down in there. Now I'm taking the top cover off under this cover here. It's a small screwdriver. There's a little grommet right in there. You gotta pull them up. And underneath there, I'll show you here what it looks like. You just pry up the this little grommet piece, and underneath there, right there, there's a screw. And then we gotta disconnect this hose. 2 screws on this side. Right there. Just and there's the base. Yeah, it's got a little lock ring there. There's the hose. Here. Here. Yeah, there's a small screw right in here. How much dust and gravel there is in the motor and everything. with that much stuff, the armature has got to be scored in there. So as far as I'm going to go with this machine, I'm going to junk it. Because even though if I wash it and everything, still if the armature is scored, the motor won't last that long. And it'll be always grinding. So that's it for this one.